Hey, welcome back to Gone with the Whisk. It's been a couple months since I posted. It's now August, and I'll show some updates on everything I've been working on. But right now, I'm in Louisiana, and it is hot. Like, it is 487 degrees outside, not even joking. And I'm trying to, fit myself into the refrigerator to stay cool. Okay, but here is some embroideries I'm working on. Here's the Maria Fyodorowna stitch I was working on. I haven't got a lot of work on it since the last time you saw it. I'm hoping to get back to, the filming, the overhead shot of me stitching on it really soon. I've also been working on this, the Universal Monster Stitch Along by the Witchy Stitcher on Etsy. And it's going to be a haunted house and featuring several of the Universal Studios monsters like the Phantom of the Opera, the Mummy, the Creature from the Black Lagoon, the Invisible Man, the Wolfman, Frankenstein, Bride of Frankenstein, Dracula. And so I've been working on that for a couple months now. It's on and off. And this is on fabric, some regular Ada that I dyed. Ice dye. I don't know if you can kind of see it too well in the video, but I posted it on my Instagram, Dakota Miller Art, and you can see a little bit better there. I've also got some new recipe videos I need to finish editing and get online. All the stuff looks really good. I really haven't cooked much lately, not real meals. It's too hot to cook. I did have a frozen pizza earlier. I didn't cook it, I just ate it frozen because it's so hot here, you don't understand. But I did get a waffle maker at Target recently, so I'm probably going to have some more videos, waffle recipes, but also things to cook in a waffle iron that aren't waffles. I've got a few new patterns in my Etsy shop. I've started doing some based off of different memes that you add your own text to, like Kermit sipping some tea, and the Pikachu where you look shocked. I've also got some more of the quotes, like Ellen DeGeneres for the quote, and a couple others like that. So just go check it out, Mr. Cross Stitch on Etsy, all one word. I think I've got pretty close to 50 different patterns on there right now. About to hit 100 sales, so that's really exciting. I also realized I never actually announced when I changed the name of my channel from Mr. Cross Stitch to Gone with the Whisk. That's because I wanted to actually sit down and do a video explaining that, but I never actually got to it. I originally set out wanting to do a cooking channel on YouTube, but it just seemed like it's going to be really complicated, and I just kept putting it off, and then I got talked into doing the cross stitch, the floss tubing, which is fun, but I don't work on a patterns consistently enough to actually be a real floss tuber, as you can obviously see. So I kind of started experimenting with the, adding in some recipes, kind of supplement the channel. And then I really decided, well, Cross Stitch, Mr. Cross Stitch doesn't really sound like a food channel. So I played around different things for a more generic name that could be, food, but it could also be other things. I finally settled on Gone with Whisk. It's a name I liked for a while because it's, food center, but generic enough. But it's also sounds kind of southern, which a lot of my recipes are. So I thought it kind of fit. So that's why the channel name changed, but it's still going to be, cross stitch embroidery, and maybe some other things. Maybe I'd originally intended to do some gardening videos, and then it got really, really hot, and I don't know what the garden even looks like anymore. So I also may be doing some videos where it shows, me actually cooking the food. hesitant about doing that because when I record, I wind up stuttering or misspeaking or staring at the camera going, because I forgot what I was going to talk about. So I stop and re-record and pick up and cut out and edit. You can't really do that while you're cooking because, you know, you pour the rice in and then you edit that part out and then you start talking in and your food's burnt. So we'll just kind of see what happens there. Alright, thanks for joining me today. Keep an eye out for new videos coming soon. And y'all stay cool out there. Try your best. And I'll see you next time. Bye.